In my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to go inside of Walgreens to get my key fob is basically dead, so I'm going into CVS pharmacy, not Walgreens. If here don't have it, I'm gonna go into CVS. I'm gonna go to Walgreens to get it, but I'm heading into the CVS to get a new battery for my key fob because it's basically dead. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yep, here we go. Supposed to be like 1632. This is surely not it. 1632. Yeah, they don't even have it. They actually have it. There you go, 1632. Perfect. Okay guys, so I just got out of CVS pharmacy because my key fob is dead, and I'm gonna basically show you guys how to replace it. This one goes from, I'm gonna say, from the 2005 Toyota Avalon to, I'm gonna say, to the 12. I think the 12 model have the same key fob, and the size is 1632. I got this on sale for $5.99. Well, with tax it comes to $6.41. You know, there's 7% tax here in Florida. So here I have my key fob. Let me turn my camera around. Have my key fob. Basically, it's easy and simple to open. I just use the key and open it. I'm gonna put it together and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so at the side right there, you just push that button in, pull out the key just like this, and I have a part that you just push it in and just pull it out, and it basically open up the key fob. As you can see, it's pretty easy and simple to open up. So the part that you want to take out is that green part, that to take out the battery. As you can see right there, that's the battery. So that was the Energizer battery as well too, that I bought the last time. It was like, I think like a couple years ago, 3 years ago or so, or 2 years ago. I can't remember how long, but the one that I just bought from CVS pharmacy is Energizer, and you basically just put it in the same way. Even though your battery is dead for your key fob, you still could use the key to get inside the car, and all you have to do is basically step on the brake, my bad, step on the brake and put the key fob on put the back of the key fob on the back of the put it next to the push to start button, and you're gonna see the light is gonna light up green, and you just press the push to start button, hold it down, it's gonna start the vehicle without the key fob. So I just want to give that information out there. That's if your battery is dead. I've been doing that for the longest. So here I am trying to open up the Duracell battery. I don't know why they make that. I guess a lot of thieves been stealing a lot, so they make it kind of hard to open up that battery. But the battery size is 1632. I will be putting that in the description. 1632, and you just pop it in. It's easy and simple. It's not no biggie. You know, I'm gonna just show y'all closer to the camera. See, I just stick it in just like so, and just put it back together. Put it back into the key fob. Make sure everything is basically lined up, because it's one side with that part and the other side just have the buttons. So you basically just put it back how you got it out and just stick it back in, and it will basically fit and it will work perfectly You will get all the power that you need when you walk to the door. Put your hand by the handle. Between the handle, the car is gonna automatically open the door. Keyless entry. I'm so used to this feature. I hate taking out the key and try to twist and turn, and it's just a headache. So I love the way how I love the technology. That's basically what it is. I love the technology. So as you can see right here, the key fob is basically perfectly pressed in. I just haven't put back in the key. I'm going to put back the key in its place. Perfect. Alright guys, as you can see that I'm not even that close to the car, but the light up. Just put my hand right here, it's open up. So it's basically working fine. What I want to explain is what I didn't show you guys with the key fob, what I was talking about. As you can see, my push to start button, say that my key fob is basically dead, right? Say my key fob is dead. What I do, I put my foot on the brake, put my key fob like this, and remove it, and it's going to light up green. Then I just press the button to start the vehicle. Now that's basically what I was doing when my key fob was dead. The battery was dead. That's how you start the vehicle. When you use the key to get inside the car, because you know, of course, you can't get inside the car if your key fob is dead. It's not going to let you because the battery is dead. So you have to use the actual key. You know, I had showed in the video, you just have to push in this button. It said push on the side, and it release the key. Excuse me. So hard to do with two hands, guys. But you just press the button, and it release the key. So you just press it in, it release the key. What I really want to show you as well is right here. To open up the key fob, all you have to do is push the key in this hole right here. I know it sounds so funny, but yes, all you have to do is push the key fob between here. Let me try to stand it up. Can I stand it up? No, I cannot. Oh man. Okay, can I stand it up here? Okay, perfect. Let me turn on my light. Okay, see, so what I was basically talking about, to open it, I just basically push the key fob between here, right here, like this, and I basically twist it. I twist it, and it's gonna pop the key fob open. So that's basically how I open up the key fob so easy, because I push it between here, right between here, this one, and just twist, and it'll pop the key fob open. And I'll just take out the battery and replace it. So that's what I want to share with you guys to make sure you get a good understanding. As I said, our Toyotas, this is the Avalon. Take off the light. This is the Toyota Avalon. I think they have the same key fob from 2005 to 2012. I'm gonna say to 2012. If you guys, if it's not, you guys could correct me if you guys know what year it go from. But I know for sure from 2005 to 2012. I think 2013, that's when they changed the body style and the key fob for the Toyota Avalon. But if this ever happened to you, just remember, you are not stuck. You just pop the key out, open the door. Make sure you just put the back of it's going to be off. Just make sure you just put the back of the key fob right on top of the push to start button. Put your foot on the brake. When you release it, it's going to light up green. Then you just hold on the button and push to start. That's how you do it, guys. And it's going to start. It's going to start right up once you have a dead battery. It's going to start up, and you'll go about your business. You can go to Walgreens, go to CVS, and or even Walmart, purchase your battery and change the battery in your key fob, and it'll be a done deal. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys learned something. Until I upload another video. I hope you guys enjoy my last two video. I think the one that I showed with the Aston Martin car review that I did. The Aston Martin was beautiful inside. The push to start button is in the middle, and all the gears is in the middle, and all of them is button that you press. You press to go into park, you press to go into drive, press to go into reverse. Awesome video. If you guys have not checked out that video with that review that I did on the Aston Martin DBS, you guys should go and check that video out. That was a nice, beautiful, fast car. Oh my goodness, it was lovely. But I did a review on it. Hope you guys check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and the support. Peace and bye-bye until I upload another one.
Get into the money, 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 get into the